Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an honest, raw review of Heptabase, the visual note-taking app designed to help you organize and make sense of complex learning, research, and big projects. Instead of forcing you into rigid, linear folders, Heptabase is built entirely around spatial thinking, placing your notes on an infinite whiteboard canvas where every idea exists as a flexible, reusable card. The absolute standout feature is the native, highly optimized PDF annotation loop. You can upload massive documents, highlight critical passages, and drag those highlights straight onto your whiteboard next to your own thoughts to build deep conceptual maps instantly. Plus, with built-in daily journals, backlink structures, and a new integrated AI tutor, researching complex topics becomes incredibly intuitive. However, the biggest hurdle to consider is the cost. At nearly $12 monthly or $9 a month on an annual plan, Heptabase has no free tier, offering only a brief 7-day trial before locking you out. While Markdown purists might prefer free open-source alternatives like the Obsidian Canvas, the sheer speed, local-first offline access, and unified research database make Heptabase worth every penny for visual-first learners. Subscribe the channel for more videos.